Today we're gonna tell you that how to change the battery of iPhone 6s. As you know that the iPhone have a non-removable battery. Today we will tell you that how to change it in an easy manner. First of all, we need to turn off the iPhone. Like this. I have turned off this, and now here we have the new battery. I am unwrapping this. Now we have unwrapped this battery. This is the original battery of Leon company, powered by Apple. You can use any screwdriver, but I have special made for iPhone to open the iPhone. Here it is, you can see. Now we will open the iPhone. Here you can see it has two screws. Like this, we will put the screen up. Play. After that, we will do like this on all sides of iPhone. There's a little coal, I think, on its sides. Here you can see our iPhone is now open. Here is the old battery. We will remove this old battery. Remove this screw with the screwdriver. The new screwdrivers have magnet in them. It is very easy way to change the battery. Here is the jack of the battery, you can see. Make sure that you are doing very clean work. Here we have remove its jack, and now we will remove the battery easily. Don't use so many force, it can break the body of your iPhone. As you can see that it has a coal downward, so if you are problem to remove the battery, then you can dry it with the hair dryer or something to heat up the iPhone, but make sure that you are not heating it up more, because if you will heat up more, then your battery will burst. So keep attention. Now I will make it heat up somehow with the hair dryer. And yes, we have removed the battery, and here you can see that it's my old battery, and while I was removing it it's like this now, and it's the new battery what I will put in my phone now. And you can see that now we will put this new battery here. It's very easy to up again. Now I have put that. Now we'll put it back again like it was before. Now as you can see that we have changed the battery, and now we're gonna test it that it's working well or not. I still didn't fix it, you can see. Yes, and now I have fixed my iPhone, and it's now, you can see that it's working now. You can see that it will be on in some seconds. As you can see that my iPhone is working fine now. Now I will show you that it's showing charging. Now it's showing charging. And today vlog is over with this. Have a good night.